Hello friend, I'm Saidul Islam and you're watching FMS3 YouTube channel video. Dear friend, in this video I'm going to tell you that how can you solve your Microsoft error notification. Try access my Microsoft the code is closed and cannot proceed because of ffmpeg.dll was not found. So reinstalling the program may fix this problem. So how to fix this problem? The only way to fix this problem is you will just download ffmpeg.dll file from Google. So how to download it? So let's start. So first of all, you open your Google Chrome browser or any other web browser and then search ffmpeg.dll file. Download so you can click on the first website and then I get it DFF download option. But if you have a 64-byte OS, just download this first one. So otherwise, if you have the 32-bit system best operating system, just download this second. So here I try to select first one and start to download it. While the download is complete, so after downloading process completed, now I try to open the file and this is the file. So now you can copy this file, then open your location disk C, and you can open your operating system driver. So here you can go to use folder, but before going to access that folder, first of all enable all the hidden folder from the driver. So to enable the sound and so now in the sections you can go to view tab. So here you can click to enable hide file and item. So once you enable the option and then go to user folder, so there I try to open my Windows username folder and the first one. So here you can go to app data and there are some folder. So there I try to access local disk local. So now it's so same application install the folder, so you can locate Microsoft and then click on open. Finally you can locate the folder and then click to open it. So here you can go to current folder and first one, and this folder has lost of DLL file. So there also we can paste that copy the DLL file. So after done this process, now one more time try to access Microsoft Team application because I try to check method work or not work. So but this time you can see now my operating system is Microsoft is opening very smoothly. This does not show any other error or notification. So this is the way you can solve your Microsoft error notification by watching my tutorial. For more like this video in tutorial, you can subscribe my beautiful channel FMS.